Hello everyone, welcome back to all of my Foodi subscribers. You guys are the real MVP. In today's video, I will be showing how I make my chicken Alfredo in the Ninja Foodi. And as always, all the ingredients are going to be in the description box below. Here are all the ingredients up close and personal. Alright, so I like to season the chicken breast with some adobo, black pepper, garlic, and onion powder. And once again, it's all up to you, however much you want to sprinkle on there. Sprinkle with love, sprinkle until you are content. We're also going to add the minced garlic and just mix it all up. Alright, so now I'm going to turn on the Ninja Foodi. I'm going to put it on saute mode and leave it on high. And I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of butter and let it heat up. And once it's heated, I'm going to throw it in the chicken breast and let it cook a little bit on each side, but not fully cook it yet. Okay, once it looks like this, you're going to turn off the saute mode. So now we're going to add the rest of the ingredients, which is the Alfredo sauce, the Chicken Bouillon, and the pasta sauce. Break it in half, sprinkle it around the unit. Now you're going to put it on pressure, leave it on high, put 6 minutes on the clock. Once it's done counting down, release the air, and then just turn it off and open up the lid. Make sure you mix it all around. It's gonna look a little liquidy, but that's fine. I like to add mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese. This is optional, it's up to you, however creamy you want your Alfredo sauce. I like it creamy. And I'm just mixing around, make sure all the cheeses are mixed in. This is how it looks. So what I do, I leave it on warm up for a few minutes, so in that way it's a little more, it's not so liquidy. So now it's much more creamier, and this is how it turned out. And like I said, if you don't want it so creamy, you don't have to add the mozzarella cheese or the Parmesan cheese. It's fine as it is. And as always, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I appreciate you for watching. Bye.